First of all, there was Arch Linux Adventures, which had 1,134 subscribers as of the 1st of September 2016, but the channel was discontinued back on March 1st, 2014. This channel revolved around me starting off with a fresh Arch Linux install while slowly building it up each episode, while I tried out and installed software while customizing the OS. I actually made the Windows slide because of the low friction. What if you put it to like nothing? Let's see this, ready? Throw. Look at that, it's just sliding along! That is so crazy. Stop shaking, stop it! No! I've lost the window, what do you... I generally got around 2,000 to 6,000 views per video, and although the videos were supposed to be unedited, I ended up having to spend hours syncing up the video and audio as the screen recorder in Arch kept messing up. Eventually the hard drive containing the Arch Linux installation failed, and that was the end of that channel.
10 years ago, on the 30th of January 2014, Philip Adams created the Arch Linux Adventures YouTube channel and bloated his Arch Linux install to the extreme. He started his journey by installing Arch Linux off-screen, a sin that will never be changed. But we don't worry about that. He installed a desktop environment called LXDE and did some basic customization with it. He set up desktop wallpaper and installed applications such as bloated software, enabling his webcam to be supported in Arch Linux, installing games on it. And one day it failed, but it got backups, and then episode 7 was a success. After that, a minor improvement on the system, and another failed episode where it temporarily broke his system. But in episode 10, he downloaded VirtualBox and installed a game called Minecraft. Episode 11, he failed to use Wine, which is a Windows compatibility layer. Episode 12 was trying to get Wine working, and episode 13 was to get Conky working. Episode 14, he installed torrenting software and became a pirate. His printer didn't work. In 2016, he explained that his hard drive failed. It was a 320GB hard drive, and it wasn't solid state storage like we had today. In 2017, I revived Arch Linux Adventures, but I installed it on a virtual machine, live streamed onto the retired Arch Linux Adventures revised YouTube channel. A few months passed as to creating 2 episodes. It's on XFCE, but it fizzled out, and with a few weekly chats, it didn't come to fruition. Fast forward to today, 2024, and now we're going to install Arch Linux again. Because according to the global market share, 4% of people are now using Linux. On this episode of Arch Linux Adventures, I will torture myself to install Arch Linux. Welcome to the first episode of Arch Linux Adventures. I mean, it's episode 0 of Arch Linux Adventures. Welcome to the 0th episode of Arch Linux Adventures. So today we're going to be installing Arch like we did last time, but this time on a physical machine, and not just any physical machine. Say hello to the beast of this machine right here. This is the machine that is going to be installed in Arch Linux 2. It is a beautiful machine, very red lights, very red color scheme, and and somewhat part of the line graphics card, an Nvidia RTX 2070. An Intel Core i5 5 something, I do not know. But it doesn't matter. Today we're going to be installing Arch on it. So do not mind. I do not have a screen recorder at the moment. So let's do this. Here is the Arch install I'm using. RTX 2024-0301. And we're using Bling Extra to install this drive. Let's do this. This is on a 32 gig. This is a 32 gig USB drive. I'm gonna set it now. For your information. Fuck! Okay, this is some stupid thing. No, I'm gonna hit yes. So, for your information, here are the specs. We have a 120 gig M.2 SSD. We're gonna install it. It's on the 320 gig hard drive. So we lost space, but we have a fast boy. We have a fast boy in our arsenal. Second, I might get my C922, which is going to be used for the duration of the videos. And there's no way I can plug an Ethernet cable in here because I'm in a compact space. So I'm going to get Wi-Fi. I'm going to get a USB Wi-Fi card instead of shooting on my phone all the time. So it's going to be flashing Arts next right here. There we go, it's going up to 100%. And don't you worry, this had a Windows 10 ISO image on it. I wiped it, and it's now going to be installing Windows. It's going to be installing Arts Next on it. So it's going to verify. There we go. It's flashed, and we close this window. Now, we're going to do a restart. But first, I'm going to shut down this computer and unplug the drive that's in here. Otherwise, we'll be screwing up our own shit. I'm sorry for the language. I'll be back in a few moments, so this is the only cut I'm doing for a while. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's still running Windows. I forgot. For your information, it's not going to be booting off the external hard drive before, so I'm just doing this to double check if the hard drive I unplugged that damn hard drive. That's going to fuck up if I. God, another sensor. Sorry. Okay, I'm going to my password. Okay. We're on Windows 11 still, so but we're gonna get rid of it. So I'm just gonna check if it's unplugged. Okay, it is now. Very good. I hit. Right, we're gonna restart and see on the other side. Yes, I am pressing the F12 key. I do not know where the button is. We're gonna be more changes to the bus. Right, time for bus change. And here we go. We don't have secure. I am not. So, for next installs, we're going to scroll over to Windows 10.8 features and select Other OS. Then we got to select CSM support. Disable that. And also, I'm going to enable TPN because I love that. But I'm going to disable Secure Boot because then it won't run. VTD, in case we need to fetch like shit. Another swear, censor it. And we're going to make sure that boot option is on here. The Kingston Deer Traveler 3.0. It's now set to boot from the USB in UEFI mode, as you can see. And now, all we have to do is find a way to self-secure boot. Give me, a few moments here. Okay, I seem to think that secure boot was just disabled. We're going to save and exit. Save and exit up. Yes, the computer's turning off a bit. but we will come back slowly into the UEFI experience. Okay, it's not on UEFI mode yet. I do have CSM disabled. Let's double check what we have here. CSM should not be working, and your UEFI is supposed to be selected. So we're going to do required UEFI, this one, and save. Yes, you do see nothing from it. Gigabyte auto dribble. Okay, there we go. We need to double check that we have a UEFI shell here. We do. That's good. I'm going to exit out the shell. Damn it! And boot into here. That's what I like about Arch. It's because it does shit. Oh yes, it is copying rootfs image to RAM, which is excellent. I do not know if my phone will hook up to the internet, which would be bad. And if my phone doesn't have internet, I'm gonna move this computer to my office, which has Ethernet, and I gotta continue this tomorrow. Shit. Right, I'm going to cut and figure out what's happening. Jeez, for that, it's the next day, and I have it booted now, so let's see if I'm able to ping Google. Right, okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, I see we seem to have internet connection, which is excellent. So, EFI vars -L. Oh yes, that's what we need. EFI. I can't even spell some things because Arch is being something. Oh wait, the camera's on a red orientation. I'll be back in a few moments. I thought the series was to be meant uncut, but every time I'm just recording shit. But the only time I need this, let's be okay. Which hard drive is it? Which one is it that we need? I feel like this is the one we need. NVMe @1. The problem with this is a 120 gig SSD. The 320 gig that Philip had was so good. Wait, let's just see. What was the command again? G-disk, wasn't it? There we go. That's the one we need. Oh, I just understand there was a red flashing light on my screen. I need to disable that. If I can't disable it, then I'm an idiot. So I'm just gonna cut out the verge again. I'm sorry for this. I need to disable that recording light. Okay, now we need to enter the long dev name /dev/NVMe 0N1. Oh no, it's 2, isn't it? X, Z. Yes, I want to. Should I be sure? Because it will kill everything. Oh, fine, yes. Okay, good. Blank out the MBR, yes. Right, LSB, okay. Should display no more partitions. It should display disk only. There we go. Let's go into gf disk /dev /nvme 0 and 1. What was the damn command again? That. Give me a moment here. I don't know how to get to the thing. Give me a few moments while I find the command. I seem to have forgotten I seem to have forgotten the damn it. Okay, it's not GF disk, it's CG disk. /dev /nv. Can I just bash complete this? Okay, there we go. Finally, we're at this screen. Apologies, this is a Tray 1x9 screen. I can't make this even one. It's because I'm on XFCE. Right, let's double check what we have. 192 gigs. Right, first partition. First sector, just normal sides and sectors. 256 megabytes. Mostly you wouldn't go for this, but I would have gone for gig. Where is EFI? Where is EFI? Where is EFI? It's been a long time since I installed Arch, so give me a moment. Where is it? Oh wait, I know the code now. It's EF, so it's and boot. Right, we have a 256 EFI system partition. That'll be formatted for 32. Oh, I need swap space, do I? Okay. 8 gigs of RAM. I don't know, 8 or 16 gigs. I'm gonna go 2. I might go 2. I'm going to go to 4 gigs of swap. I would have done this in swap file, but no. 8200. Let's swap, I think. Yep, that's correct. I done it. I seem to have made a 119 gigabyte swap by accident, so let's delete and let's do it again. Let's see, first sector, sides and sectors. I said 4 gigs, so 4 GIB, 8200 swap. Right, that's the 4 gig swap. Okay. We have 115 gigs for our Linux partition, so let's click new, enter. I would have done it in separate home folders, but this is Linux Adventures. We don't draw with home partitions on them. A3400, yes. Don't stop auto-focusing. Root. Right, 1 ext4. Okay, now we can hit right. And we hit yes. Right, let's see if it works. Exit. LSB, okay. Oh yes, we have partitions. Except one needs to be. And let's do mkfs.fats. The hyphen f32 f32 /dev /nvme 0n1p1, and then we just need to do that every time, and we just need, and then swap nk swap /dev /nvme 0n1 partition 2. At least I can do this. Swap on /dev /nvme 0n1 p2. Then we'll just LSBLK again. Look at that. That's what we need. Right, now we gotta do this. mkfs.ext4 /dev /nvme 0n1 p3. I don't have playful partitions. Okay, there we go. That's what it's like. Okay, I gotta mount these fucks, do I? I'm gonna double check the arts wiki. Do I mount these things or do I not mount these things? Oh, I do. I need to mount these things. So mount /dev /nvme. Do I need to I was about to do this. Rank mirrors. You know that the rank mirrors command is just stupidly not in Linux anymore. It is still there, but I don't have it installed in the system. Give me one moment. I need to know what the steps are in the wiki, and I'm following the guide from some older gamers, by the way. Still, it's excellent, but I mean the arts wiki, just to make sure that if it's updated, because one command updates and it fucks up the organization. So I'm gonna be back. Don't worry, this is my phone cutting, not my actual editing software cutting, so it doesn't count. Okay. Oh wait, I do apologise here. I think there was a serious problem. We have. Oh wait, yeah, we have to mount those. So mount /dev /nvme 0n1 partition. What was the partition for the root partition again? What was the root one? It's this one. I seem to have mounted. I fucked it up. Fuck. Give me a moment. I'm gonna have to reboot the system now. Okay, apologies here. I had to reboot because I mounted the drive incorrectly. Let's try again. Mount /dev /nvme 0n1 p3 /mnt. That's what we need. There we go. That's what we needed. Now we can type in and then we'll just ls. Oh, I asked. What was the one I need? Is it? And that's 1. Then boot. Mount point doesn't exist. Yeah, I forgot. I need to make the directory. mkdir /mnt, which means NVMe 3 to NVMe 1. I mean, okay, will this work? Okay. Oh, yeah, but now it's working. Okay. Pack strap time, I think. Is it pack strap time? Let's just LSBLK and just find out what it is. Oh, yes. Okay, wait a second. Swap on /dev /nvme 0n1 p2. Okay, we have everything here. Now, I don't want to pack strap yet, so let's give it one moment here. Yep, I am going to copy a mirror list. So CP cheese pizza, not the actual thing, slash Etsy pack Mandy slash mirror list. And what am I copying this to? Yep, for your information, I'm giving Mum a personal unplanned on Mother's Day. Don't tell her that. Mirror list slash, oh, is it the same thing? Slash Etsy slash Pac-Man D slash mirror list dot back up. I usually do it like this, WAK for backups. Missing destination file. I seem to have fucked up the operation. Give me one moment. This is my phone crying out, not the actual editing software. I seem to have done the command one. It's this. There we go. Okay, since we're on the root, okay, we'll log down this root so we can do this. Pacman dash s Pacman. What was it again? Dad. Sorry about that. This is why I don't like doing this on my phone, but I have to do it for the rest of the video. Contrib. Oh yes, I need to do sudo rep. I need to do Pacman, that's why, again. I'm just going to do this, and do this again. There we go. Installing. There we go. Rank mirrors. I'm just going to double check if I did this correctly. Rank mirrors. -n, is it -n6? And then I need to do Etsy slash Pacmandy dot which mirror list version is it? Mirror list dot back. And what then etc dot Pacmandy d slash mirror list. Oh, and I don't want mirror list dot back. I want mirror list. I need to double check. That's fine. Right, I gotta give it a few minutes here. The reason why I'm doing this, because ping the servers, making it close to the location I am in. Okay, it's done. We can do a nano here, I think. RTX mirrorless rendered by Reflector, and it's displayed that I am currently in the United Kingdom, as displayed by here. londonmirror.packagebuild.com/$sign repo/os.arch. And we have another one called artnext.uk/mirror.orworldit.com/artnext/repos/os/arch. All these are just European and France servers and German servers. But here is the date that I'm filming this on, 2024-308, and I generated this mirror list on that day, which means it was tomorrow. Right, can we start the install? Right, pack strap slash K slash, and then we need to do, and we have to define it, so that's MMT Linux firmware. Wait, I need to add base on it. So there we go. Base Linux firmware. And then we do base devel nano bash completion. Now I will do that once I get the whole system installed. Next up, that's M.2 base Linux firmware base devel. It should work. Okay, I seem to have spelled firmware wrong. I seem to have spelled something wrong. Let's do this. Now it's doing all the installation. In order to make sure that I don't accumulate thousands of gigabytes in more footage, I am going to cut the DAM. I'm just going to pause the recording on the side and I'll be back with you later. So, ta-ta! Right. Oh, I'm back. Okay, it's installing. Very nice. Okay, it's installing. Yes, that's what we want. Linux installation on my system. Right. It's doing all this. Just give it a few moments here. Nice. There we go. Okay. How many more do we need? Starting build 6.7.9. We're on kernel 6.7.9. I'll allow a transition to the old season for the current kernel in 2014. Okay, that was the current kernel back when it was 2014. We're now on kernel version 6.7.9. I don't mind missing firmware, but if it's related to Wi-Fi, we'll have to configure it and disconnect this phone. We're currently on mobile tethering, by the way. And also, my network share will be connected to this thing, so I can grab all the video files on it. Okay, back stuff. That's M.2 base Linux best of all. 78.2656 seconds. 46 seconds for the system. CPU was at 76%, and it took around 3 minutes to install. That's simple. Right, let's fstab. Let's generate the fstab, because we need to -u-p mnt. I gotta do two things. Is it /mnt/ and we have to do that too /fstab. Okay, let's double check this. Let's generate. Let's see if it worked. Right, let's double check if it is correct. Which it is. It should have partition 3 here, which is here, followed by all these. This part UUID /ext4 and this thing. Boot drive partition 1. That's sorted out, and then swap memory. That's dealt with. Right. Right, it's now. Look at this. arch ch roots /mt. Right. There's a difference here with my command line. I don't have a red root now. Okay, I seem to have not have nano on the system now. Even if I did previously, but I not have it. So Pac-Man. Since I'm root anyway, I can just ignore the sudo thing. So I can do Pac-Man's SS nano bash complete. How do I spell bash completion? CLPL COMPLETION. Is it this one? Yeah, I'm gonna double check that. Okay, we now have bash completion. Now I'm gonna type in nano to see if it works. There we go. There we go. We got nano. Yes, clear that shit. Right, nano /etc/locale.gen. This is where we have to do all this. Scroll all the way down, find the ENGB. Normally I would go to find the ENGB variable, but sometimes I must do sacrifices. ENUS UTF-8. I'm gonna enable this for usual reasons, but I'm going to go up here and select ENGB UTF-8 also. So that way I can switch between US things and shit and all that. Control X, save, yes. Locale. Oh, this one. That's the one I need. Right, we seem to have all of our stuff ready. If Philip was doing this, he would enable the ENAU thing. Being under this locale file, which I will show you again. But the Australia one is, for your information, Philip would be under here. EN_AU UTF-8, which is this one right here. Ignore the ISO one. This one is what the one Philip will use. Right, now. Now I got to export my language, so either I use the US one or the British one. Normally I would do the US one, which is much better. But I managed. Okay, I'm just gonna. I need to find a base to mount my stupid computer. It's like deep. I don't need the mouse still, so at least I have my guide here. Shout some of the gamers, by the way. You're the mad. Okay, that's. But I'm controlling this still. I'm now on to install settings. You see here, I do have back mirrors. Install essential packages. Yeah, that's the one I need. Yeah, install nano bash completion already. Set time zone. Yeah, I don't need to. GMT's my one. Okay, I already did that. Edit locale.gen with nano. Okay, I gotta do echoes here. That should be under echo. So echo lang equals en underscore GB dot UTF -8 let's see, lang equals en. Let's see. I gotta do this again. Let me show me the locales, but I don't need to do that. And just a minute, so I know. Echo LANU equals en. Don't, I need to shit this. Underscore GB dot UTF -8. I hate doing this. That's etc dot etc dot load. I'm just gonna know this shit. Boy, if I fuck this up. Explain. Give me one moment. Damn it! It's just me. GB dot UTF -8. Not ITF, UTF. Lang. Okay, gotta double check this. Lang. Time zones now, alas. Time for time zones. Alas, /USR share zone info slash. Oh yeah, there we go. I gotta find the UK shit. I feel like it's in Europe, London, so I'll just find it. That's yep, I found it. That's the one I need. Okay, is there anything more? Okay, nothing else. So we need to do ln-s link symbolic link to etc.local time, isn't it? Damn it, it's capitalized. Fuck etc-local time. Okay, that's that Noah's HW clock sys to HC / UTC, and then I'm gonna do time date CTL just to make sure. Okay, we haven't booted into systemd, so we can't confirm yet. Okay, let's echo Oh, at least I can decide on host name. Fuck. Normally. Let's call this Aim Lord. And do it again. /etc/hostname. And then systemctl enable var system trim dot timer. Just finding mistakes. Systemctl enable fs trim timer. Correct symlink etc/systemd/system timers target once /stream timer. Right. Let's do. Let's nano into etc.pacman again. Dot what conf again? Oh, wait, let's double check here. Where is the packages I need? I feel like this. If you want to run 32-bit apps on the x86-64 system, enable the multi-level repositories. That's what we need. Then I need to sit and dash. Yes. Pacman dash sy. Right, we seem to have multi-lib support. That's what we need. I need to figure out what the root password is. So, pass wd. This will be the password of the root user. So give me one moment to figure out what I should find. So give me a moment while I enter the root password. Right, let's time. Okay, I did a root password check. I was updating the root password to secure the system. So user, let's add a user /m/g users. What subgroups is it in? What groups should it have? It should have KVM support. Of course, WHEL. Real for sudo. I'm guarding administrator process. Storage power. Am I doing this correctly? Real storage power. I'm just going to double check the video. Real storage power. Dash s is shell, by the way. CSH is my type, but I'm just going to do a bin bash now. What is the username? What is the username I should have? I don't know. Oh wait, I seem to have failed to correct the user because I didn't put N. Damn it, the shell needs to be fucked again. I'm gonna remove that user. Give me a moment. Okay, apologies there. I seem to have entered my shell incorrectly. I did delete the user and re-added it, so now I can just pass WD it. And I'm going to enter a weaker version of my password, so give me a few moments. Okay, what should I do next? Yes, let's see. Editor equals nano phi sudo. This is the sudo's file. Sudo's file. It's very awesome. It does configurations. We need to uncheck this line here. Okay, it's unchecked. Now I'm going to add a very secure thing. Defaults roots PW. This thing is supposed to make sure that the stronger version of my password is used instead of the weaker one I set to log into the system. Remember Windows 10 eliminate. I can't pronounce. Sorry. Ameliorated edition, Windows 10 ameliorated edition. That was a modified version of Windows 10, I believe, that you really needed the administrators to have the inbuilt administrator account to have a password on it. I'm gonna try and see if it works. This one, okay. We seem to have. Okay. Right, let's do one file check of the i5 files before we move. Mount -T EFI files FS EFI file. You have to type this in twice. I do not know why. So that's sys dash firmware EFI files. Well, give me one moment. I seem to have a bit of a problem. Okay. Okay, I might have typed the command one. Seems to be nothing. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just gonna reboot the system again. Okay, we're good. Time to install bootloader. I am going to find out what bootloader. Okay, we seem to now need to do this. Choose and install this cable called bootloader. What do we need to use? Do we use the original bootctl? Do we use grub? So which one is it? So I have the choice. I like to have the choice of grub or system reboot. The reason why, I know system reboot works on UEFI, but I'm just a grub user, so I'm just going to install this. So grub is a bootloader. It's using grub 2. It supports the FAT32 systems and it's one to boot the installment in UEFI, otherwise UEFI won't be able to apply stuff. I know, I checked before. Okay, install the packages grub and EFI boot manager. So sudo. So no, I can't sudo at this point. I need to do pacman -s grub EFI boot mgr. Damn it, I forgot. Capital S. As always. I already mounted the EFI system partition. Let's see here. Grub. I'm gonna do this. Grub install. Oh, I can't even find the EFI directory. I'll give it one sec. Okay, so I went and did this command which installs the grub bootloader. I think this will work. There's no error required. I'm gonna double check again. So ls/boot. Okay, the EFI system has been installed successfully. Now we have to reboot the system. Now, so exit. I'm not sure if it will work. If we find out that it will not work, we go back into option, and if we go back into the install CD, we're fucked. If we go back into BIOS, we're not good. I'm plugging my Arch install USB in 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see if it. Okay, I didn't find anything. Okay, Grub is working, but I do not know where the goddamn thing is. I didn't update my gun Grub, so I'm gonna have to put the damn USB back in. Okay, it seems that I failed to do this command, which is this one. So once I'm gonna have to bring back into my goddamn Arch Linux USB and do it again. So I have to mount the drives again. So it's mount / dev / nvme mp3 / 70. At least it's much faster to do it now, since I know how to do it now. Right, now I'm going to insert this command to make sure I do it correctly. Grub nkconfig and -o / boots grub Now this program will not be executed to detect available partitions. That's what we want because we're not double booting Windows. And now we added the boot menu for the UEFI settings if we need to boot the BIOS. Right, we seem to have. Let's do it again. Exits. Reboot. Dot reboot. Right, let's remove now. That's my USB. Come on, boot. Okay, seems to be. Oh, there we go. It's okay. Now we got to test to see if it's properly installed. We can hit enter and load. There we go. NVMe participate. Oh, there we go. Arch Linux is fully installed. Right, I think we should end off this episode here. Let's do this. Thank you for watching episode 1 of... Damn it, this is episode 2, by the way. Damn it. I forgot, this is uncut. From now on, the intro is not uncut, but... thank you for watching episode 2 of Arch Linux Adventures. Next episode will be installing a desktop environment and installing the next server. So join me on the way for that. On the next episode, might need to SSH into this system because I don't want to bother carrying a phone with me all the damn time I record all this. I'm going to be. I know that using a Windows laptop might be cheating in the point, but. Let me know. Do you want me to install SSH client onto the SSH server onto this so I can just use the laptop up? Or do you think I should suffer and type everything in the command line on this computer until I get a GUI running? This has been RequiredTech, and that's it for the 0th episode of Arch Linux Adventures.
Goodbye.